Yes, hi Kingsley, this is Ray. I'll be going over your new layout with you for your new website. This is the home page of the website. What I want to do is just go over really quick how everything works. There's certain things that are going on the home page that I want to make you aware of. So watch this video please all the way through. It's a short video. I just want to make sure you understand the home page layout. This is basically I didn't want this to be a logo. I just wanted to put your domain name on top here so it registers in people's minds, and it's an easy name to remember. So I wanted to put that up here, and I didn't want to make it too crowded because you actually have a very nice logo. So I didn't want to take away from the logo. So when you land on the home page, you have the website name, you have the introduction video that plays here. We'll go ahead and pause that for now. We have your logo, we have your social links. Now the home page actually serves as a big snapshot of everything that's on your website. So if you notice all these different categories, all of the articles that you have in each of these categories, there's a summary of that article displayed on the home page. So the idea, just like you wanted, as you explained to me, is you wanted the home page to have everything you offer on the home page, and if people wanted to click around and go to the various categories, they can. So that's how I set everything up. We have your introduction. We have here, I put an area where you can put your main featured interview. Right now it's Jessica Matthews, and so I put that here, and you can change this very easily. So we have your main featured interview right underneath the introduction on the home page. And then on the left we have a spotlight. Now the neat thing about this area is that it's a dynamic area that's always going to update itself. So as you're adding articles in your back panel, and you're managing your website and you're adding content, this area will pull the latest articles and thumbnails associated with those articles and display them here. So all you need to do is add articles to your website, and this area will automatically update. Show the latest articles, and it'll remove the older ones. All automatic. So that way the home page stays fresh. As long as you add articles, every time someone comes to your home page, chances are there'll be different articles here that they can choose from. We have your mission statement here. I just thought it would be a good idea to put that. You'll see on the right hand side I also have other articles. So basically what I did on the home page, and this one scrolls every 6 seconds. So every 6 seconds it'll scroll and show different articles that the user can click and read. And I just thought it would be a good idea to split. We have an article section here, and then we have an article section here. On the right hand side, I wanted to give you enough space to take two main articles or main featured guests that you interviewed and put them here as kind of a teaser. For example, Debanj, we have here a brief summary of this artist, and then you can click here and you'll go to a page specifically set up for him. Just as I've done with this ex-NBA player, we have a large picture of him here, a little bit of information as a teaser, and then you can click read more and you'll go to a page set up specifically for him. So basically I've given you two spots to use to feature selected content. You have the main spot, which is the featured interview here, and then you have the second tier spot you can use for featured individuals, featured articles, where you can put a larger picture and some information, and then just simply provide a link to the page that actually has all the content for that individual. And then here and here we just have smaller articles, general news, Nigeria updates, entertainment updates. We have those articles here. Now, video, of course you want to have video on your website, so what I did is on this area here on the home page, I gave you a nice little tabber where you can put two YouTube videos, and you can put a title for each one, and when someone clicks on any of these tabs, they can watch that video. This one, they can watch this video here, or they can click on this and they can watch this video. And also beneath each one of these I have a link to the YouTube channel that I set up for you. So if somebody after watching these videos wants to see what other videos you have, they can click here and they'll go directly to the YouTube channel that I set up. And I just thought it's a nice idea to have a couple videos on the home page just to give it that modern touch. And then down here we have a picture of the man behind the website, and they can click here and read more information about you and the purpose of this website. And I didn't want to make it like you're being pretentious, and I didn't want to put this on top, so I thought it would be good taste to put this down bottom here. That way you're introducing yourself, but you're not putting yourself above all of the good content that you have to offer. Now, of course, it's always a good idea on websites on the bottom as people scroll down to also have links to the main areas of your website. That way you're not forcing people to have to scroll up. And I also have your social links. That's just good web design 101. So I have those here. And then if you recall the slideshow that I made for you, I have that at the very bottom of the home page. I took out the slide that has the actual date on there, and I've left the other slides. So we have this down here. It actually looks very nice. I added a little shadow here, so it kind of has a multi-dimensional effect. Looks very nice, and it'll just scroll every couple of seconds. And then of course you have your standard disclaimer and copyright notice. Now, also remember, this area updates as you add articles, and so does this area. So this area here that's scrolling every few seconds, and I just did that to add a modern touch. I personally like websites that have some movement to it. And so this every few seconds will rotate and show different articles. And it works on mobile devices, tablets, so it's compatible across platforms, whether it's a desktop, iPhone, tablet, whatever. It's a nice feature, and it works beautifully. It looks very nice. So as long as you add articles to your website, this area will update automatically, and this area will update automatically. You're going to see some duplicates, like you see some duplicate articles here and here. That's just up to you to add more articles. And matter of fact, I'm going to show you in another video how to switch articles in different categories. And then if you go up here, you'll notice I have, for example, if we go here to entertainment, if we go here to video channel, well, let me close this out. If we go here to video channel, you'll see that I have all of your articles and the categories they belong to here. So if somebody wants to read articles only about sports, fashion, entertainment, they can select that category and they'll go directly to those articles. I also have all the spotlight, the individuals you really want to bring attention to, put them in their own category under the spotlight. I have those here, and if you actually just click on spotlight, you'll go directly to the spotlight category showing all of the articles that fall under that. Okay, this is your video channel. All the videos are here. Neat thing about this is that this actually updates from a playlist that you create on your YouTube channel. So basically, as long as you manage the YouTube channel that I set up for you and create new playlists from time to time, this page will automatically pull from your YouTube channel and show the latest videos. So it'll automatically update itself without you having to lift a finger. Same thing with this right hand side. And I just put some videos here, some here, just to kind of freshen up the page. Looks very nice, and people can actually watch the videos right here without leaving your website and going to YouTube. This is the entertainment category. So this category basically just shows all the articles that are available, and then you can click on an article and read more. Now what I'm going to do is show you also, we have this up here. If you notice, you have categories and you have menu items underneath submenus. So basically you only have so much room up here to put links. So you'll want to put as many links as possible under other links and create submenus to make as much room as you can from this area. Otherwise what will happen is if you don't do this and arrange submenus, you'll run out of space, and then your links will show up where they shouldn't be in the content area, and it'll throw the alignment off. So I'm going to show you how to manage the menu bar. And you can see the menu bar has a nice special effect when you put your mouse around it. Turns colors, has a little shade to it. So basically I changed the layout. It looks exactly like the example you sent me, and this video is just going over everything you need to know about the home page, and that's it. So the other videos will show you actually how to edit everything.